Okay, this video record shows how to create fields as well as manage your prices. So example, if you take Sunline shutters, if you go to the back end, click on calculations, Sunline shutters are there. Now, Sunline shutters uses a calculation called shutter-based calculation. So the prices are based on square meter. So if you go into that, these are three different products. So let's just say Fusion. If you go into there, so these are all the fields configured. You can rearrange in any order or delete the fields, or you can add any fields you want, or these are the visibility tick boxes. So what you want to show in customer copy, office copy, and order sheet for your factory. All your prices are configured into the field called type. So if you go into types, so these are the prices. Based on the square meter, you can change those prices straight away and save. So that's how you would manipulate prices for square meter based prices. Now, I'll also show you, if you take, let's say, Ozroll, let's see what Ozroll is using for curve series. So I go back into calculations. Now, Ozroll is configured into a pricing grid based calculations. So price sheet. So if I go in there, let's say the curve series, the product, I go into there, same drill, you have all that flexibility. But if I go into field called type, now these are three grids configured. So let's say smooth one aside, if I go in there. So this is that particular grid for that particular product. So you have, this is your original price. You can plus or minus value dollar or percentage to obtain the prices in the front end of the system. So if you do that, this will change. So this is one way of doing it. And you do have something called pricing controller. This is the second way, but this only supports for grid-based prices, not for square meter or any other. So if I go in there, so Ozroll, if I click on them, so let's say curve series. If I click on there, it will show me all that grid. And I can simply say here, okay, bump up everything by 100% with $0. That'll automatically go and update all these grids from the price you uploaded into a markup of 100%.